How to download My Drama application on your Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to watch Asian dramas, K-dramas, or Chinese series and wondering how to get started, here is how you can easily do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and open your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in My Drama. Once you end up in this page, go ahead and look for this application that says My Drama Short Stories and Review by Holy Water Limited. Now tap on Install to begin downloading the app. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Just make sure you have a stable internet, enough storage space, and wait for the download to complete. After a couple of minutes, the application will be downloaded. Now tap on Open and then follow through the instructions. Choose your category for the content you want, answer some of the questions, and then the next step is to sign in. Go ahead and sign in with your Facebook, Google account, or with an email, and you are all set to explore dramas anytime you want, grab some snacks, find a comfy spot, and enjoy your favorite shows. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.